Hey, Alberg here, and I have a unboxing video of a bunch of knives I've got from Temu, and I actually just got this one from Harbor Freight. It was hard to get. They were out of stock, so if you do want one of these knives, this Icon knife at Harbor Freight for $39.99, what you need to do is you need to ask somebody because they hide them. They've been stolen, a lot of people tell me. So let's dive in. It's actually not a bad knife, and see what we got here. We got a visit from my dog Sadie. So we got that one. And I'm not sure where I got these from, but let's open them. I've got a couple of throwing knives here. Why is it always so hard to get this stuff out? At least it's not the plastic that's impossible to open. There's another one. Okay, let's get a bunch of throwing knives. My dog Sadie ringing the bell to go outside. Let's see what we got. Not bad. Take one out. Little tip on there. If you can see that. Nice. Oh, very sharp. Sharp on the sides. Usually throwing knives don't have these sharp edges, but this is nice. I like that. I think these were like $10 each. Comes with a decent sheath. I don't know if that's going to come out, probably backwards. Okay, so we got the first one. Up next, we got something from Rough Rider. Oh, oh, that's nice. What is this? It doesn't say what it is, but it's a big folding knife. Not bad. Actually nice. Sharp blade, nice thick, nice locking mechanism. I'd say it's about a 5-inch liner lock. It's a pretty knife. I think I paid like $28 for this from Rough Rider. I like it. Okay, we got 2 down. Let's see what the next one is. It's from Temu. And we got a small knife. I like Temu. They lately haven't had as much good stuff, and they've also been not sending me a lot of the knives I've ordered, so it's kind of not bad. I don't remember even ordering this one. It's not a bad knife, and again, this was probably $1 or $2 or $3. It's not bad. You see it? Nice knife. I like it. Again, probably $3 or so. Okay, let's see what we got up next. Another Temu. What is this one? Temu's bad at, sometimes it takes a long time. I have a lot of credit from them because every time I order a knife, they don't have it or they can't send it to me, so they've been getting a little stricter on what they send. Okay, that should be down here. It's hard to open. Yeah. Okay. This is just a neck knife from Temu. Oh, yeah. Always got to be careful. Not bad. Oh, it's pretty sharp. Nice, not bad. Here it is up close. And I don't know how much this is. I'll put things in the comment. That's number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the final package. Use this one. Another knife. Oh, this is the big one. This is the big knife. Let's see how big it is. This is a folding knife I've been waiting for. Ordered off of Amazon. And does that even show? I don't know. Okay. Let's get it out of the box. This is a big knife. I think this might be the biggest folding knife there is. Holy shit. Here it is. Here it is. Let's open it up. Try not to hurt myself. Not the greatest quality, but stainless steel, made in Pakistan. That is a big knife. And I'm going to see if I can figure out how big it is. I think it's 8 inches. But it's a nice knife, and it was pretty cheap on Amazon, and I'll put links to everything. Let me just measure these, see how much they are.